told Tom using the emerald wasn't the right choice.
Well, now it's the only choice. And if neither of you have the guts to help me, then I'll do it alone.
But I thought the three of us were a team. I thought that's what made us special.
I'm not asking you twice, Knuckles. Where is the Master Emerald?
Your heart is being consumed by anger, Hedgehog. You are in no condition to make decisions right now.
I know you're upset about Tom. We all are.
Last chance. Where is it?
Don't do this. Part of our oath is to trust each other, and I must abide by that promise, even if you have chosen to break it.